How to type emojis on Roblox and computer. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this informative video presentation, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of inserting emojis into your Roblox chat using your personal computer. It is a straightforward procedure, so make sure to pay close attention and follow my instructions carefully. To incorporate emojis into the Roblox chat feature, simply locate the desired emoji and proceed to copy it. The most efficient method to accomplish this task is to get access to the emoji platform. Once you have found the emoji of your choice, hover your cursor over it, click and hold the left mouse button to select it and move it to the desired location. Then right-click and select the copy option. After completing these steps, return to the Roblox platform, access the chat section, press Ctrl+V to paste the emoji and send it to your recipient. You have the freedom to utilize any emoji available on the website in this manner. So I trust that this tutorial has been beneficial to you. If you found it to be useful, kindly show your support by liking and subscribing for additional helpful tips and tutorials. I sincerely appreciate your viewership.